list has the longest name of the city. There's the longest city name in the US, United States.
Ini macam dapat
Did you
daripada
know that your thumb punya circumference is the same as the length of your kepala kotak?
Serius lah?
Sekarang semua nak
I'm
check.
not even kidding.
Sekarang semua
I'm not
nak
even
check.
kidding.
The
Semua
length
akan
of
check
your
ni.
kepala kotak.
Let me check.
Kau
Semua check. Tak nak, kotak aku
Menipu.
besar.
Oh.
memang lah siapa kau buat check. Ni yang panggil stupid head. Ni engine stupid head tu.
Babi. Aduh.
Weh, aku duk perang dengan ikan ni pada tadi. Weh, cepatlah ikan weh.
It's gonna be a very good fish. Sabar, let me. Biar fit
Keluar
kita
blue gill kan
Did you
aku
know?
kan. Did you know cows, diorang boleh naik tangga tapi tak boleh turun tangga? Tak, sumpah tu.
Bodoh ke?
Tapi the funniest part is, macam mana orang tahu? Buat apa dia bawa lembu tu naik tangga?
Did you know an ostrich eye is bigger than its brain?
Are you sure? Serius lah?
Bapak
tak?
bangang ostrich. Yep. That is
Wait kau.
what is it?
Tengok spotted bass tu besar mana.
Aku tak keluar pop-up.
Oh, 0.79 kilo besar lah.
Did you know the month of August has the highest percentage of birds?
Serius lah?
August, that means semua orang, December lah, time Christmas lah, mistletoe.
Oh.
Did you know that 85% of plant life is found in the ocean? Wait, what? Itu pun aku tak faham jap. 85% plant life is...
Apa
Oh,
ni?
plat
Get your facts straight lah.
No,
Apa ni?
it is, but I don't understand what it means. Did you know Ralph Lauren's original name was Ralph Leaves Shites?
That's so immature, man.
Betul tu.
Okay.
Life Shites.
Okay, this is for Fariza. Did you know that 11% of people are left-handed in the world?
9%?
Ni Google lah,
11%.
ni Google lah. Ni Google lah ni. Aku pun tengah sama ni. Did you know birds needs gravity to swallow?
Oh.
Oh, what the fuck? Itu aku baru tahu lah.
That means dia tak boleh nak hidup outer space lah, damn. Okay, lagi. Did you know the longest recorded flight of a chicken was 13 seconds? Sedih.
Itu memang I don't want to know pun lah, but like, okay.
The Hawaiian alphabet has 13 letters. I never knew Hawaiian has
Dia ada apa 26 lah.
Did you know armadillos have 4 babies at a time and all are the same sex?
What?
All
Then-
of them have sex?
They all of them had sex with the babies?
Did you know reindeer like bananas? No, don't care
Don't
about that.
care. Did you know about 90% of the world population kisses? The other 10% are nerds. Jahat ya Afi.
Bagi you.
Penat tu lawan dengan ikan. Tak boleh ke macam korang give up je? Memang you know you're gonna lose, man.
Did you know when lightning strikes, it can reach up to 30,000 degrees Celsius?
Oh, 80 million volts kan?
I don't know. It says here 30,000 degrees Celsius. Saya tak tahu pula pasal volt. Switzerland eats most chocolate equating to 10 kilos per person per year.
10 kilos banyak tu.
Per person per year.
Ya.
Tapi, I mean like 10 kilos per year. How
Are you fucking kidding me?
Masa? Kau nak coklat ke?
Holy shit, okay, this one eh. Did you know
Ya,
a
tak habis
cat
lawan ikan ni lagi.
has 32 muscles in each ear? Satu ear, 32 muscle.
Gila kuat singa.
Tu lah, lepas tu kita boleh band-band dengan telinga dia.
Ya.
Ui, okay, this is really good. Did you know the word dreamt is the only word that ends in empty? There's no other words other than dreamt that ends with empty.
Oh lah.
You know your food has 26 bones in it.
Did you know what?
Did you know that in between your thighs you have one bone?
Bone. Bodoh lah.
Did you know when 3 people are bored of Apex, they play Fishing Planet?
They play how you know.
They play the, you know.
Do you know frogs can swallow with their eyes open?
What the fuck? Kau suruh dia isap kotel ke apa? You have a problem. Did you know it's 4 AM in the morning?
Oh lah, okay lah, let's stop lah, let's stop.
Okay, last reel. Ni kalau aku tarik tak ada dan jauh.
Aku nak edit lagi video kita ambil.